Hi everybody, Mike from Devon's Tractor Parts. So we got a unique item here. If you want to make your tractor stand out a little bit different than the rest of the guys at the show, be a little more detail, a little more originality, going back in the day like she was originally from the factory, we have a thing called wraps for your filters, for your fuel filter, your oil filter, and your ether cans. What they are is a decal like this, and you get a filter, a white filter. You can paint them white, or you can go like the Napa and get a Wix filter or a Napa filter. They're white originally. And what you do is you take a scissors or a paper cutter and cut them down to whatever filter you have. You can fit. So we have the red ones and we have the black ones here. So if you want to show a little more detail with your tractor and be a little different than the rest of the guys at the show, Devon's Tractor Parts can take care of you. We have these filter wraps. You can get a hold of us at devonstractorparts.com. That's devonstractorparts.com. Or you can call us at 920-334-1468. That's 920-334-1468. Thanks.